Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And it's time for the Rite Aid preview. This is for January 21st through the 27th of 2018. And a Smart Source and a Red Plum insert coming in the paper on Sunday, so you might want to check out that list. We got coupons that are coming that are be useful in this ad. Also watch for some any new rebates coming out or new printables and stuff like that. That could change things as well. So we got a lot going on in this ad. This video, I'm just going to be talking about household products, paper things, cleaning supplies, and then the food deals in the ad. I'm going to do 2 other videos. I'll do one with healthcare items and then another one with personal care. Because there's so much going on here. So really, get your pen and paper out, take some notes, okay? And yeah, because there's a lot to keep track of here again. Because we got this deal just like 2 weeks ago. This is a new deal. Doesn't matter what you've bought before, okay? Spend 50, get back 20. It's limited to, just like last time. And look for the bonus cash symbol on the items that are included in the deal. Okay, so I do want to go over a few things because I get asked these questions repeatedly when these deals come around. So the $20 bonus cash will have to all be spent at the same time. That's the way bonus cash works. Hopefully everybody knows that by now. You can't spend 15 and then spend 5 in another date. In a sale like this, any of the sales, the BOGO item, on BOGO sales, the first item will ring up full price, and then the second item is going to ring $0 towards the deal. Okay, so that's how you can figure how much you got towards that $50. Coupons are not going to affect how much you spend to get to $50. Okay, the deal is going to track on your receipt. You don't have to spend all $50 at one time. Okay, so you're getting $20 in bonus cash back. That's like a 40% return on your $50 you spent. So this is a way that I calculate. I take the price of the item, let's say it's $9.99 times 0.4, which is 40%. That's giving me back $3.99 for my $9.99 spent. Okay, and that's what I use this, and so I just have to tell you that, so when you see my calculations, that's where that's coming from. The deal is mix and match. You don't have to buy $50 of one item, okay? You can if you want. You do what you want, but you don't have to, okay? And in here in the ad, I've been putting prices in pink in the ad, and that price is how much the item would cost after you got the $20 back, and it doesn't take into account coupons. It's just purely the cost of the item with 40% taken off. Okay, so let's get into this. First off, we got some Scott, Cottonelle, and Kleenex products right here. So 2 weeks ago, we got $1 off coupons on these products that you could use. Okay, and they're on sale for $6.99. I think normally most of these things are $12.99. So if you got 4, oh wait a minute, let me show you this. This Catalina, I haven't heard anybody yet say that they got this thing to print. It didn't work for me 2 weeks ago. But when you spend $25, you can give $5 Catalina back theoretically. Catalina Marketing is the name of the company you can contact on the internet if your $5 isn't print. Okay, so if you got 4 of them, $27.96 minus $4 in coupons, $5 Catalina back potentially, that'd take it down to $22.96, and then the equivalent of $11.18 from bonus cash when you spend a total of $50 takes it down to $11.78 for 4, or $2.95 each. Okay, now the Kleenexes count towards allergy rewards. Spend $75, get back $20, and that would in the end make it 3 cents for 4 of these 6-packs. Pretty good deal on the Kleenex. That's taking into account you get that $5 Catalina back as well. Okay. These M&M's and Hershey Valentine candies, 2 for $5. And so 40% back on that would make them $3 for 2. I don't know of a coupon right now, but maybe there'll be one. Okay, so like I said, we're just doing food and paper products, so I'm going to skip ahead here. There's some Valentine's candies included in the sale right here, so you might want to look at those. I'm just want to point out while I'm here, gift card deals. Valentine's coming up. I guess a lot of people give gift cards, so there are some gift cards. Those are not part of bonus cash. Okay, let me see. I'm not going to do anything on that page. Here's the page I want. Okay. There's some stationery products right there. The 2-pack of Sharpies, we just got a 55 cents off manufacturer coupon on that. And we also got this $1 off of Bic products. So they're buy one, get one half off. That might make for a good deal on some of the cheaper items. So you might want to look at that. I'll look at them definitely. See if there's anything. Some cell phone accessories right here, part of it. And this is really peculiar because they've got the bonus cash symbol right here, but then it also says earn 20 when you spend 50. It's almost like two deals, but I don't know. That's just really strange how they have that listed, so we'll have to see. Some as seen on TV products right there, part of it, bonus cash. Some Purina pet foods and things, $5.99. So with 40% return, that would make them $3.59. I don't know if the Beneful, this has been on coupons.com, this $3 off coupon. Yeah, it's another one of my teeny coupons that printed out fun. Teeny. I don't understand, but that one printer does this. So I don't know if the Beneful's included. That'd make for a really good deal because it'd make it 59 cents for that. So I have to see if that one's included. Okay, so some Gain and Tide products right here, including the dryer sheets and the softener. So $4.94. It's the same deal we had 2 weeks ago. Works out the same. There, so $4.94. 40% off of that would take them down to $2.96. And then there's $2 load to car coupons that I just saw today. So these are new load to car coupons that just showed up. And there's like on all of these things. So you should be able to get them if you don't already have them. So you'd pay $2.94 out of pocket, and then the equivalent of $1.97 back from the bonus cash when you spend 50, so it makes it 97 cents for those. It's a pretty good deal. Definitely a stock up price on those items right there. So these Big Win tissues and paper towels would come down to $3 for 2 of those. There's some Clorox and Lysol products included. The Big Win trash bags would come out to be $2.99 each there, the $4.99 ones. There's some small appliances at $15.99, but after 40% back, it would make them $9.59. Okay. So these wonderful pistachios, 16 ounce, are buy one, get one free. And I looked at the price today. They were $11.99. There's a $1 coupon off of one coupon coming in the paper. So 40% return on $11.99 takes the price down to $7.19. And then with the $1 off coupon would make it $6.19. And that'd be for 2 because it's a buy one, get one free. Yeah, so here's some other, the Jif peanut butter, the jellies here. 2 for $5, so those would come out to be $3 for 2, as well as these chips would be $3 for 2. The Pepsi right here and 7-Up products, they've got Canada Dry in the picture, 3 for $10.99, and then use the $1 in ad coupon. So you'd pay $9.99 for 3 of them, and you get the equivalent of $4.39 from bonus cash. So I take it down to $5.60 for 3, or $1.87 each. That's a really good deal on Pepsi, if you need that for any particular football party you might be having soon. Okay, so this is a really great deal right here on Hershey's candy bars are 2 for $1, and they're part of bonus cash. So if you just got 2 of them, with no coupons. That'd make them 60 cents for 2, 30 cents each, right? Maybe some of them you find with 50-cent freshness pillies on them. There's a load to card coupon for $1 off of 2 Hershey's candy bars. Maybe you have that coupon. I've had it clipped for a while. So you'd pay $0 out of pocket and you'd get the equivalent of 40 cents back from the bonus cash. So that would make it 40-cent moneymaker. We also have this coupon. Maybe you still have it or not, if you printed it from coupons.com a while back. So buy one, get one free. And one of them should be a Hershey Gold candy bar. I saw some talk online where someone didn't pay no attention to that and they just got 2 Hershey bars and it still worked. So if you use that and it took 50 cents off, I know if you scan your card after the coupon, it'll take off more. But let's say it takes off 50 cents, so in 40 cents back. So 10 cents for 2 is still a good deal for that. And the Russell Stover's sugar-free candies right here, 2 for $3. That takes it down to $1.80 for 2. And then we have this $1 off of 2 coupon that we just recently got. And yeah, so 80 cents for 2 of those might be a good deal for you. Yep, there's some other candies that are included. And back here, the big win, cases of water, 2 for $5, so that'll bring them down to $3 for 2, $1.50 each. A pretty good deal on that. These single serve snacks right here are $1, so those go down to 60 cents. And then I think some of these Nabiscos, some of these might have had an Ibotta rebate. Which I know some people have already been talking about doing for some other stuff, but I haven't. So I'm not sure what's all included, but you might see if you still have an Ibotta rebate for some of those. And then the Persil laundry soap will come out to be free. It's talking about a $3 coupon coming in the paper, and they're $4.99. So you pay $1.99, and you'd get the equivalent of $1.99 back from the bonus cash when you spent $50. So that makes it free. I haven't seen the coupon, but I did see where people were talking about the coupon saying it's limit 1 per customer on that Persil coupon. So just be mindful of that. Yeah, and here's some other food items that are included. Oh yeah, these king-size candy bars are included as well. Okay, that's all for this video. I'll talk to you later.